Hey everybody, this is Leo with Print Co. And today we're at the Hanes booth. We're partnered with Hirsch Solutions and Brother to show you guys the new pre-treated shirt. It's called the Print Now shirt and it's really cool. We basically just take it right out of the box, hit it for 5-10 seconds, print it, cure it, and it's completely done. You skip the entire pre-treat section of the process and the results are awesome. So let's jump into it right now and you guys can see for yourself. So when you order the t-shirts right out of the box, they already come pre-treated, which means the front, the back, the sleeves, and just about anywhere that you can print on this shirt. Now, I know you can't feel this from across the screen, but they feel great. And kind of an odd fact, if you've ever seen pre-treated t-shirts, they don't smell like anything, which I know is a little bit weird, but for some of you guys who know, you know. So like, let's say a customer comes in and they say, I just want to order 10 or 20 shirts, right? And then half of them have to have the American flag on the sleeve. You already know that you're gonna have to pre-treat it, you're gonna have to cure it, but these already come pre-treated. So the only thing you're gonna have to do, hit it for 10 seconds on your press, print it, and then cure it, and it's done. The other big thing is some of the t-shirts that we print on, they have a lot of prints, or a lot of placements, I should say. This allows you to do all of those placements and you don't have an additional cost. There is no additional labor or supply cost to do any other placements. But the cool part is you can upcharge for something like that. So for example, yeah, I'll do a front chest print, and if you want the sleeves, that's gonna be an additional $5 a hit. So that being said, I wanna show you guys how we print these t-shirts and how easy it is for you guys to do it at your print shop. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna heat press the t-shirt for like 5 or 10 seconds, right? Is it a requirement? Not entirely, but it is gonna make the print area a lot smoother and it's gonna mat down any of those fibers that could have come up at some point, right? So after about 5 seconds, we're gonna load this up on the DTG printer. Okay, while that's printing, I wanna talk to you guys a little bit about how this t-shirt affects your print shop. So, early morning, you're walking in, you're getting an order for 2 t-shirts, and eventually you're gonna do a bunch of other stuff, right? That does not involve pre-treat. The real big benefit here is time and money, right? To do the pre-treat, you're gonna have to run the lines, get the pre-treat machine set up, you're gonna have to dedicate your time to stand there, pre-treat, make sure it's even, make sure it's consistent, and the worst part about this whole thing, if the customer wants front and back, that's ×2. If they want front, back, and a sleeve, that's ×3. If you add a neck tag into the mix, well then that's your entire afternoon. What we're saying is, you get 12 of these t-shirts, you just stock them at your print shop, and then when somebody wants 1 or 2 of them, you pull them off the shelf, you hit them for 10 seconds, and you go into print. The ability to go into print that fast is gonna give you the option to get that order done, move it to the side, get it out, and then get started on something else. So let's get back to our t-shirt and see how that's going. Awesome. All right, so as we all know, this is very wet. So I'm showing you guys this really quick because I want you to see what it looks like before I run it through the dryer. Now we all know it's gonna be the most vibrant and it's gonna look the best coming right off the printer, but the big surprise, I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the other end of the conveyor dryer. So right out of the conveyor dryer, it's still vibrant. And the reason is it's pre-treated really well. It's also printed really well, and we cured it with a conveyor dryer. You can also use a heat press, but we applied the correct amount of heat to give you a result like this. This is really what you're looking for in these types of pre-treated shirts, and this is exactly what you're gonna get with the Print Now tee.